Okay, so I walked into a barbershop last Thursday, not my regular spot, just somewhere near Buckhead, and I asked the guy at the front if they had online booking. He looked at me like I asked him something in a different language, and I thought, wait, this is a $2,000 a year business running on a paper appointment book and a Facebook page from 2019. That's the gap, and I figured out how to get paid filling it. I'm Alex. This channel is about making real money with AI tools. No fluff, no courses to sell you, just what actually works. 2 years ago, I was pulling $38,000 a year moving freight documents for a logistics company. Started messing around with AI at night after my shifts. 6 months later, I quit. Now I help regular people find the same kind of income. And this one, this local business angle, honestly might be the most slept on opportunity I've found this year. So here's what got me started on this. My cousin, she runs a hair salon out here in Atlanta, over in East Point. She's fully booked every weekend. Woman is talented, no question, but she's losing clients constantly because her booking system is a nightmare. People DM her on Instagram, she forgets to reply, they go somewhere else. She's got zero automated follow-up, no review system. Her Google listing has like 8 photos, and the last post was from Thanksgiving. And here's the thing, she's not dumb, she's just busy. She's doing hair for 10 hours a day, and then she's exhausted. She doesn't have time to figure out tech. She doesn't have a marketing budget. She's not going to hire an agency. And that's when I realized there are literally hundreds of thousands of businesses like hers. Dentist offices that still call to confirm appointments manually. Restaurants with no response to their Google reviews. Nail salons where the only marketing is a sidewalk sign. These businesses need help, they just don't know it yet. So I started thinking, what if I built a simple AI-powered setup for local businesses and charged them for it? Not as some big agency, just me, a laptop, a free tool, and about 3 hours of setup time per client. I tested it first with my cousin's salon. Didn't charge her, she's family, you know how that goes. But I documented everything so I could replicate it. And what happened next kind of surprised me. The tool I used is called ManyChat A. And before you say, I've heard of that, hear me out, because most people are not using it the way I'm about to show you. ManyChat is a chat automation platform. It connects to Instagram DMs, Facebook Messenger, and even SMS. The free plan is genuinely free. Not a free trial, not a free plan that bricks itself after 7 days. Free. You can automate DM responses, capture leads, send appointment reminders, and run basic campaigns without paying a dollar. But here's where it gets interesting. I'm pairing ManyChat with ChatGPT, which you already know, and Google Business Profile, which is also completely free. Together, these 3 things create what I'm calling a local business AI stack. And it takes about 2 to 3 hours to set up for any client. Here's why this is different from just selling someone a website or a logo. You're not selling a thing, you're selling a result. Fewer missed bookings, more Google reviews, faster DM responses. Business owners feel that immediately. They see it working within the first week, and they will pay you monthly to keep it running. That's the part people miss. This isn't a one-time gig. This is recurring income. The whole stack. ManyChat free, ChatGPT free tier, or $20 a month. Google Business free. Your cost? Maybe $20. What you charge? I'll get to that. All right, here's exactly how I set this up. I'm going to walk you through it like you're starting tomorrow morning. Step 1, find your first client. Don't overthink this. Start with someone you know, a family friend, a neighbor, your barber. Offer to do it free or discounted the first time so you can document the results. I started with my cousin's salon. You could start with literally anyone who has a local business and a phone. Step 2, set up their Google Business Profile. Log in, claim the profile. If it's not claimed, fill out every single field. Hours, photos, services, description. Then use ChatGPT to write their business description. I'd say something like, write a warm, professional Google business description for a natural hair salon in Atlanta that specializes in locks and protective styles. Boom, takes 3 minutes. Step 3, set up ManyChat on their Instagram. Connect their Instagram account to ManyChat. Takes about 5 minutes. Then build a simple automation. When someone DMs the word book or appointment, ManyChat automatically replies with a message, collects their name, and sends them a booking link. I use ChatGPT to write the actual DM script. Something friendly, not robotic. Step 4, build a review request flow. This is the one that gets business owners emotional, no cap. Set up a simple ManyChat flow that goes out to recent customers, or even just a manual SMS, asking them to leave a Google review. I use a short script I generated with ChatGPT. Most businesses go from 12 reviews to 40 reviews within a month. That alone is worth money to them. Step 5. Set your price and send a simple invoice. For full setup plus monthly management, responding to reviews, tweaking automations, posting one Google update per week using AI, I charge between $300 and $500 a month depending on the business. Send the invoice through PayPal or have them Venmo you. Keep it simple. Okay, so I want to be straight with you about how this went because it was not perfect from day one. The first version I built for my cousin's salon, I spent like 4 hours on it, and the mini chat automation kept triggering on the wrong keywords. Someone DM'd her asking about appointments for my daughter, and the bot replied like 3 times in a row. She called me laughing, but also kind of annoyed. I'm not even joking. I had to go back in and fix the keyword triggers. Took me another hour, but once it was working, wild. In the first 2 weeks, her salon Instagram went from like 6 DMs a day getting ignored to every single one getting an instant reply. Her booking link clicks went up. She told me she picked up 4 new regular clients in that first month who said they booked because someone responded fast. Then I took the exact same setup, same templates, same ChatGPT prompts, and pitched it to a dentist office near Decatur that a friend put me on to. Charged them $350 for setup and $400 a month for management. They said yes on the first call. I got a $350 Cash App payment that same Friday. Then I got a referral to a Thai restaurant in Midtown. Restaurant owners are really responsive to the Google review piece because reviews directly hit their foot traffic. Charge $300 setup, $350 a month. PayPal invoice paid within 24 hours. By the end of month 2, I had 3 clients, monthly recurring $1,150, on top of whatever else I was making from other stuff, and I was spending maybe 4 to 5 hours a week managing all 3 accounts. That's the part that got me. It's not about one big payday, it's the monthly number, growing slow, but it's there every month. Biggest mistake I made, and I see other people doing this too, is trying to pitch the technology instead of the outcome. First time I pitched a restaurant owner, I walked him through ManyChat, showed him the automation builder, explained how the flows work. His eyes glazed over in about 90 seconds. He was not interested. He almost said no. Then I stopped. I said, look, right now you have 42 Google reviews. The Thai place 3 blocks from you has 211. Every time someone searches Thai food near me in Atlanta, they're seeing that restaurant first. I can help change that. He leaned forward. That's when the conversation flipped. Business owners do not care about software. They care about customers, reviews, bookings, and not losing money. Lead with that every single time. Don't mention ManyChat in the first pitch. Don't mention ChatGPT either. Just show them the gap between where they are and where they could be. The other mistake, trying to serve too many business types at once when you're starting out. Pick one, salons or restaurants or dentists, not all 3. Get good at that one niche, build your templates, then expand. I wish someone had told me that earlier. Real talk. Let me give you honest numbers, not dream numbers. 1 client, $300 to $500 a month. Call it $400 average. 3 clients, $1,200 a month. That's doable in your first 60 days if you're consistent. 5 clients, $2,000 a month. At this point, you're looking at what used to be my entire paycheck from that logistics job, just from 5 small businesses, 10 clients, $4,000 a month. That's where it starts feeling like something real. And here's the thing about local businesses specifically. They don't cancel easily. These aren't random online customers. This is the dentist you met in person, the salon owner your friend referred you to. The relationship keeps them. My cousin's salon is never canceling. The dentist near Decatur renewed after month 1 without me even asking. This is not get rich fast. But 3 to 5 clients in 90 days is genuinely achievable if you start this week. If you're still watching this, you already know more than 90% of people who will walk past a local business today and not think twice about the money sitting there. Hit subscribe because next week I'm going in deep on the exact ChatGPT prompts I use to write Google business descriptions, DM scripts, and review request messages. I'm giving you the whole prompt library. Copy, paste, done. You don't need to be a writer or a marketer. Drop a comment below with what kind of local business you want to target first, salon, restaurant, dentist, something else, and I'll tell you what to tweak in the setup. My name's Alex. Catch me in the next one. Total estimated spoken word count, 41,510 words.